Greetings and welcome on this channel. So today we welcome you all viewers and subscribers of this channel. So in today's guide we are back with another video. In today's video we are gonna share with you a VPN app that will help you to secure your connection as you are using the internet. And this app is on Google Play Store. So you open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps, and when you reach on Google Play Store you search for this app name AT Net VPN, AT Net VPN, and on this channel we share apps as that helps you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security, and also enhance on your online connectivity as you are using the internet. So this app will also help you to secure your connection and also to enhance on your online connectivity. And when you reach and after searching among the presented, you pick this one. Take note of the app name, app icon, install the app. After installing the app, open the app to do some settings. As you open the app, in case you are new on this channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please do take this time to like, share and subscribe on this channel. And as you subscribe, you will be notified whenever we update or we upload a new video. And when you reach in the app's interface, you are required to do some settings for this app to work. First of all, you are required to update the app resources by tapping on this button below here, the update option. And when you tap on the update option, the app will start to check for available updates. And after successful checking for the available updates, the app will update its resources so that it can provide you with the best service as it secures your connection. And after updating the app resources, you are required to do another setting, and the other setting is you are required to pick a server of your choice. And in today's guide I picked the auto select server option. This is because the app will automatically pick the best working server in my location. So you also pick the auto select server, or you can decide to pick your desired server. And after that, the other setting is you are required to pick the all country UDP faster. This is because this option is working for all countries which support UDP, and in case your country supports UDP, this option will work for you as it secures your connection. UDP is faster and secure as you are using the internet. So in case this option it is not working for you, I repeat, in case this option it is not working for you, please you tap here and then you search for your country name among the presented options. But for the sake of this video, we are gonna use all country UDP connection. This is because it is working for all countries which support UDP. And after that, to insert a secure connection, tap on this start button. And that's how we set up AT Net VPN to get a secure connection and extra protection as you are using the internet. And let's meet in the next video. Enjoy a faster and a secure connection when you are using this app.